We are going to arrange this completely messed up house. This is a Bangalore house and we are going to start everything from the scratch. And for organizing, I've used a lot of decorative items here and most of them are extremely affordable. We have also made a lot of handcrafted items here and all the video links are given in the description box. And starting from planters, curtains, everything are lowest deals, and trust me, this is not a paid promotion. So you'll get to see a lot of best deals here. Let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to Shallows Artistry. This is the living room. It receives very less of sunlight, even indirect light is very less here. So I preferred keeping areca palm and snake plant here. They can survive in low light. I am a plant person, so I've kept a lot of live plants inside the house. I also prefer having some artificial plants and flowers. So I get everything for the best deals. And this is the showcase area. All these bottle crafts, they're all handcrafted. We have the video links given in the description box. And most of these bottle crafts you would have seen in my previous videos. And the flowers also, they're all handmade. And other than that, I've kept some photos here and there. And this arrangement, it keeps changing over time. I keep changing things here and there. And this is how it looked in the beginning when I arranged everything. For the live plants, I have added baskets and pebbles to make it look good. And also, when you keep it in baskets like this that has holes, it is advisable to keep some plastic covers or tray so that the water doesn't seep out. These artificial flowers are 50 rupees per piece and I got it from a market nearby. And these are my husband's favorite. He loves Buddha statues, so we have a lot of Buddha statues at home. And the flower vases are nothing but empty liquid bottles. You can also decorate and use them. After some times, I've changed the arrangement. I've bought some more idols. So this is how it looked after maybe a few months. I've also removed the snake plant and replaced it with dry flowers. These curtains are a combo pack that I got from Amazon. It is of 4 piece, that is for 500 rupees. And it comes in variety of colors. And the background, everything is like handmade. The wall clock is very lightweighted. You can hang it anywhere. It's from Amazon. And this one, the flowers, they come in a variety of colors and it's from Meesho. It's a combo pack of 6 piece per set. And this is a planter hanging stand. This is about 250 rupees when I bought it. The prices might be fluctuating up and down. And the planter here is a food pack. It's a tiffin box, I'd say, a plastic tiffin box. And then the Buddha statue, it is a combo of 4 pieces. So these miniature Buddha comes around 130 rupees. It starts from 130 rupees actually in Meesho. And the prices may be fluctuating. This is the kitchen and dining area. And I love this spot because it received most of the sunlight, and for keeping plants, this is the best area, and even for shooting, this is the best. So this is where I do all my shooting. And the overhead video tabletop stand phone holder, it is from Amazon and it is one of the best deals you can get. The planter stand I've used here, it's from Meesho. It's about 320 rupees as a starting price and the prices may go up. Here you can see I've kept a very small garden along with the Buddha statue. This place should have been the kitchen and dining area, but I have made it as an art and craft area where I do all of my shootings and keep my art and craft supplies. After a while, I brought in a lot of plants, so accordingly I changed the arrangements, and here you can see that the plants that I kept in the front room has been shifted here, and the plant also has been changed, just making sure that the water doesn't drain out and spoil this place. I've kept some plastic covers, you can see it clearly. This is the kitchen area. After arranging, this is how it looks, and this is the fridge. Just above the fridge, I have arranged all the water plants. Only the water plants are kept here. And the remaining, all the plants that I've bought recently, everything is kept on the dining table or office table, whatever it is called. Since we don't use a dining table and very rarely I do use it as an office table, I've kept everything here. It has a lot of small miniature Buddhas and Buddha heads here. And also I've supported the plants using coir pole, and it's a combo pack of 4 pieces from Meesho, and you can see that the video stand is also kept here. And this one is made up of coconut caps. It's art from waste, and the link is also given in the description box. This was the previous mini garden which I have developed again, I've changed a lot of things, brought in new plants, and nearby that sometimes we do keep some food supplies. This is how the room looks overall, and this particular window is always open for light and ventilation. I'm a plant person. I keep buying plants, especially if it's an online plant. I make sure that the plant is kept somewhere in a well lit area so that it just gets accustomed to the new climate. And only then, after 1 or 2 weeks, I plant it into a new planter. So I don't change planters right after opening the online parcels. And this, along with the Buddha, is a Zen space. This is a space for meditation. We don't use a dining hall. That is the reason why this space is converted into a mini garden instead of being a kitchen. Even in the kitchen area where the sink is there, you can see the top rack is filled with some indoor plants that can tolerate low light. It also has a fern. The entire house and the kitchen is painted a very mild sandal color. This is a place where we plan to keep the mixie, so there is a high chance that the wall can be stained. To prevent that, we have two options. One is to paint it with oil paint so that we can just wipe all the dirt. One is that. The other one is we can use a sticker. So we prefer using a sticker. So we have bought the sticker from Amazon. And this sticker really served the purpose. It was so easy to wipe the dirt away, and also it looks very neat. And now all the things are set. It's quite easy for a house like this to be arranged because it is already semi-furnished. But if we have to arrange a house that has only the shelves, then it really needs a lot of effort. So this is quite effortless for me. Our Coimbatore house was not semi-furnished. There were only racks. So from my side, I had to do a lot of organizing works. Especially I had to find organizers where everything would fit into one place. And irrespective of the kind of house, whether it is semi-furnished or furnished, we should just make sure that we take things from one place and we replace it in the same place. It'll keep your house clutter free and save a lot of time for you in rearranging the things over and again. And clutter free sustains positive energy inside the house. This is how our balcony looked when we entered the house, and slowly we cleaned up everything and we brought in new plants. And the first thing we did was adding a bird net, because pigeons are the worst part of Bangalore. Pigeons just ruin everything. They come inside the house, and the rest is understood. We have to clean up all the mess. I had to constantly change the arrangement for this balcony because for 6 months it received direct sunlight, and for the remaining 6 months it received indirect sunlight. So according to that, I had to bring in the plants inside and outside depending upon whether it can resist direct sunlight or not. Later on, I also added some grass mat. This grass mat is from Meesho, and that is the best deal I got it. And this Buddha statue is available both in Meesho and Amazon. I'll give the links. And most of the plants here are from Allen's Garden, and some are from MSP Rose Garden also. Allen's Garden gives you tiny plants that you have to grow from the beginning, but then you get a lot of exotic plants for a very less rate. When I bought it, the prices were very less. If it has gone up, I'm not sure about it. I'll give the link in the description box. This balcony is actually attached to kitchen. From kitchen door, you can open and come this side, and it receives good light. And coming to the front yard, this is the front yard. This hanging planter stand is from Meesho, and the plants are from MSP Rose Garden. I received them in a very good condition. I'd also recommend you to get plants from there if you want. And these are all my cactus, my darlings. This is a shoe rack actually. It came along with the house. So I just utilized this place to keep all my plants. And this shoe planter, these are handmade. I'll also give the video link in the description box. One thing you can do when you have very tiny plants and planters is you can keep them inside trays like this so that it doesn't fall off. And also you can arrange them in a very small space like this. You can see that there is only one shoe rack where I've kept a lot of plants. In this way you can maintain your garden in an easy manner. I keep changing things, so here again you can see that the arrangements have changed completely. So here I couldn't show you exactly how I was arranging. The process was not shown here, but later on I could only just take a video of it and share it with you. I just wanted to show you how we can easily organize things. So if you like this idea, do give a thumbs up to my video and share it with your friends and family, and also subscribe our channel. Thank you.